What's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to show you a way that you can literally make hundreds of dollars a day, thousands of dollars per month simply by walking. And no, this has absolutely nothing to do with some phone app that will pay you points that you can then later redeem as pennies, and maybe after a month you can buy a postage stamp with it or a toothbrush with it. I'm talking about the ability to make a full-time income by walking around. And we're going to cover this method right now. Be sure to subscribe and set notifications so you'll be notified when my videos drop and you won't miss out on any of the content that I share regarding on how to grow on YouTube, how to become a YouTube partner, and how to make money online in general. And real quick, if you're one of those that have been asking about my main YouTube hacks for growing channels quickly, earning AdSense revenue, or monetizing your channel for even more automated income than you can with AdSense like I do, check out the link in the description to my video series where you can watch over my shoulder, copy me, and set this up for yourself. And if you do come over here to the course page and you scroll down a bit, you're gonna see something really cool. This is where other people that are enrolled in the video series are sharing the results they're getting with it right here. So again, that link is in the description if you're interested. Okay, so how can you make thousands of dollars by walking around? Well, all you need is a camera and the ability to walk, or even you could ride your bike, rollerblade, canoe. You get the idea, and you'll see exactly how to do this right here, right now. So what you are watching here is someone simply walking around with a camera strapped to the head most likely. And if we look at the amount of views this one video has received, we can get an idea of how much this person made in AdSense revenue. So real quick, let's open up the calculator and let's just put in 8 million views, even though they made a little bit more than that. And now typically, if you're not familiar with this, you earn about $3 per 1,000 views on YouTube with AdSense revenue. Now it can fluctuate a bit depending on what niche you're in. If you're in the financial niche or how to make money online niche, you can make quite a bit more than that per 1,000 views. And with some other niches, you can make significantly less than that. But on average, it's about $3 per 1,000 views. So let's take this 8 million and let's divide it by 1,000. And then let's multiply that by $3, and that'll give us how much this person made approximately in AdSense revenue. So as you can see from this one video of them walking around in New York City, Manhattan, they've likely made around $24,000. And if we go to their channel, we can check out some of their other videos. And as you can see, a lot of these videos are just like the first one we watched, where they're just him walking around, him or her I should say, walking around the city in the rain in various conditions, in the fog. I even seen some on here in the forest. He must have went to the forest. Yeah, right here, relaxing, walk in the rain, umbrella in nature, 3.2 million views. And this isn't the only channel doing this type of content and making this type of money. And if we just do something like walking in nature search, you're gonna see channels like Soul Response ASMR, Nomadic Ambiance, that was the video and channel we just looked at, Vid Scrappy Videos, 4K Relaxation Channel, Soul Walker. So you can see there are definitely other channels putting this type of content out there and making their fair share of AdSense revenue. But with that said, this niche is not oversaturated. And so what I mean by that is it's not overly competitive. So you have niches that people just won't take no for, and they just want to put out Fortnite content, and so they're competing against thousands and thousands of other YouTubers uploading thousands and thousands of hours worth of Fortnite content every day to YouTube's platform, and you can actually research that and see that that's true. And then they wonder why they're not having much success, because it's overly saturated. So niches like this that aren't overly saturated are much easier then to get discovered, to get views, and to have success with. And if we head over to Social Blade and check out just one of the channels, we'll stick with Nomadic Ambiance since we already looked at their video and their channel pretty closely. You can see here that they're estimated to be bringing in almost $15,000 monthly, over $170,000 yearly. And actually, if you look right here, these are their daily estimates. On the high end, they could be bringing in close to $792, $633, $630, $707, $311, $693, and so on, based on the views they're bringing in. Now, I would have never thought this concept would really be that profitable, that there would be that many people interested in viewing this type of just walking around content, but that's an important lesson. Because in reality, you can like it, you can hate it, you can give the idea a thumbs up or a thumbs down, but the fact is, it works. So in terms of what works or not, how you can make money or not make money, nobody cares what you or I think. It either works or it doesn't, and you can either accept it or reject it. Now, the video we watched in particular was of an individual walking around in New York and Manhattan, but you could also do videos walking down a hiking trail, around a lake shore, through a park in your city or town, along a boardwalk, and so on. You could do walks in the sun, in the rain, in the snow, at morning, at night, in whatever other places or conditions you can think of. So I just point this out because even if you don't live in a big city, there are still plenty of areas you could walk, and as you've seen, the nature videos got plenty of views as well. You could even ride your bike or rollerblade to make this type of content. And to get even more ideas, you can simply go to these channels, hit sort by, and then go to most popular. And then YouTube's gonna bring up their most popular videos so you can see what actually works, what is most popular, and so you don't have to reinvent the wheel or test, you can just do what they're doing. And then you just look at the videos to see what ones are very popular. So here's a good example of walking through nature, even in the rain. It's a very popular video, got 3.2 million views. It was only posted 11 months ago. If you come across a channel that has mixed content, where maybe they do some walking and some other type of content like just ASMR related, well then you can just go up to the little search field and type in walk or walking, and it will filter out just those videos related to walking, so that way you can save some time. And if you feel a little funny wearing a camera, I'm sure there are plenty of high quality hidden lenses out there that you can use to mount to a pair of sunglasses or to a hat or even just to stick out of your pocket. And within that, there's another lesson. So if you don't like some aspect about something, just try to find a solution, a way around it. So for those people like I just mentioned that maybe wouldn't feel comfortable about wearing a camera on their head, they might feel awkward about that, then find a solution, find a different type of lens that's more hidden. Don't just give up because there might be something that makes you feel uncomfortable that you don't like and say, oh, this is stupid, I'll just work at McDonald's the rest of my life. No, that's essentially what this is about. Everything you're gonna encounter when you come up on an idea to make money or to be successful, there's gonna be little roadblocks. You just gotta find ways around them. Now, one thing I'll finish up by saying about this niche, about this concept, is one of the best aspects about it is there's virtually no editing. You don't have to talk, you don't have to come up with a script, you don't have to do any of these other time-consuming tasks that are associated with creating content. All you have to do is walk around, record your walk, and upload it to YouTube, and you're done. So let me know what you think about this idea in the comments below. With that, I'm gonna wrap this up, and I will see you in the next video.